Hello, welcome to the pet room. The last time that we met, I left this drive that only works from one drive to spin, and it is spinning, and it has been fine, and everything is dandy. So, and this is with chips. The 65, this other drive here told me the 6502 was bad, and it told me that with the flashes and other things was bad. But it seems okay. So here is my plan. I'm about to remove the circuit board from the 4040. That was giving me tremendous grief. Da, 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 da. And there it is. Now this, well, I'm going to try this anyway. I really don't want to take this board out of here. I don't. But I want this one to be in. And I want this one to be able to be tested. Alright. Let's see here. Is this possible? Alright, so this drive is off. I'm going to disconnect the IEEE cable. I'm going to disconnect the IEEE cable. And then I'm going to take out the supposedly bad 6502 chip. That was in this other board. And that's warm. I'll look at the pins. The pins are good. And we have the witness mark. So the 6502 is in. Now I will go for the 6532. And it is out. And it is in. Now, here comes the tricky part. I do not want to keep swapping these boards in and out. So I am fastening, at least I think I am, the IEEE cable. As I say, at least I think I am. And then, as advertised before, I should take this newspaper and I'm going to turn this. I set it safely inside here. At least I'm thinking I am. I gotta get the connectors off. Connectors. Okay, connectors are off. I'll get this newspaper right down tight. And we will connect things. Now, basically what we're testing here mostly is the power. Because if this still does weird things with this other power supply, definitely There's things happening. Now why? Okay, power, LED, data. Okay, come on. What's going on here? Okay, it's safe, it's secure. Let's turn it off. Right, so it's on. We'll run. So, same drive. Sorry, same board, same chips as before. Different power supply. And now we'll let this run. It is, at the moment, all it is doing a catalog on drive 0 because that's all it can do. Because this drive, drive 1 doesn't spin. I mean, I can try. It's not going to do anything. Catalog at D1. The head moves. Nothing happens. So, we are going to let this sit here and go and go and go. Just like we did. And keeping track of the extra chips we took out, and also in here, there's, oh, that's the motor thing. There's other parts. Now, what did I do? Somewhere, there's got to be, oh yeah. Here's some 6532 chips. There's got to be another 6502 chip around here somewhere. I think. Because I think I took one out. Oh, I know what I did. I think I put it in here. With other things. Cables. Drive door. At least I thought I did. Alright, you know what? Oh, as much as Penny likes to go on here, it's a good place to sort things. Data cable. A drive door that doesn't fit in the bag. Screws. Things. Motor. A bad motor. Bad 6502. Okay, so it said. I'm tending to think maybe that is not the case. Alright. Let's put things back in the bag of parts. And we'll let this run and run and run some more. And see what's what. Maybe we'll swap some other things back in and see what we can find. What is this? Oh, this one has Elko something Collegiate Institute. Yes. What? Oh, no, more into fact. Okay, yeah, right. Got the. Somebody got out, I think, the little engraver pencil. Anyway, I am suspicious of power in this drive. This actually, this may be an opportunity to steal a drive and put it in here and have this one working, and then maybe consult with Rudy about power issues. Maybe it's the big capacitors. Maybe it's the transformer. Maybe there's something else. Basically, just like with any of the drives, we have the circuit board, we have the power supply, we have the drives. Those are the parts. So if you can isolate it, then at least you know what it is, what it can be amongst all the things, and go from there. Maybe the other one that's down there, up there, maybe it also has power issues. Maybe with the big capacitors, maybe with something else. This one, it all looks very lovely. This one, you know, kind of dusty. Anyway. Alright, thanks for coming. We'll let this torture for a while. Bye for now.